dual mandates don't work. And this is not something with regards to the Fed that I go back to. Oftentimes you'll hear me when I talk about Bitcoin treasury companies versus crypto treasury companies talk about building your house upon a rock. It's a biblical analogy. A biblical analogy here is that you can only serve one master. And so what is your master? What is your number one priority? And technically the Fed has two priorities. It's to control the rate of inflation around 2%, and then also to control employment. And my view is they actually have three mandates, but there has not been actually a lack of priority. There's been actually a clear priority, but they just haven't publicly acknowledged those three priorities. And so I think that their first priority is to ensure a liquid and functioning treasury market. It's actually not inflation or employment. And what I would say to support that is anytime there is any fraying at all in the treasury market, the Fed will act within 24 hours. And they'll act within 24 hours and they'll inject liquidity. They'll do emergency operations to ensure that the treasury market functions appropriately. And so they will use their biggest bullets when the treasury market falters or wobbles or anything like that. And I think that is clearly their number one objective, is to be able to ensure that the US government can issue debt to fund the perpetual deficit that we have, which is the reason that there is a perpetual strategy for Bitcoin treasury companies.